Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Nguyen. I am with Keller Williams Realty. Today I'm going to showcase you a beautiful, amazing house at 222 Locust Street, Moorestown, New Jersey. This home is situated in half an acre of land, a couple blocks from town, and where small businesses and small boutiques are located on Main Street. This home also features 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, full unfinished basement, and with the total square footage of around 3,100 square feet. Follow me, I'll show you the house. As we walk up to the home, we are greeted with beautiful blue stone steps with portico to protect this very beautiful wooden fiberglass door. The owner has many upgrades, amenities to this home. For example, the smart doorbell and then smart door lock. Let's come in, take a look. As we walk into the house, there's a large foyer. It's perfect for guests to gather here as we enter into the house. And on the left side, as you can see, there's a set of French door that enter into this living room or / den that you can use. Look at all the light. Look at all the windows, very airy, open here with a lot of LED lights. As we walk back to the foyer, to the right, there is a powder room with very nice porcelain towel and upgraded vanities. One feature for you to note is that the exhaust, it has heat in it. This home offers the best of both worlds with open concept space, but also at the same time, it has private rooms. For example, in that living or den area where you can have private conversation, or this open concept space. However, it's predefined with living room space, family room space, and kitchen. Let's take a look in this dining room. Look at all the crown moldings around it. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice. Let's walk to the kitchen where I will showcase you this masterpiece. There's a gourmet kitchen with 42-inch double-tier cabinets and luxurious cafe appliances. Look, I'll show you. It has Wi-Fi feature. It's very fabulous. And there's a cooktop burner with very nice tile work here along with the exhaust fan. Right here, there's a large island that you can sit 4 people comfortably. This is the Calacatta Gold quartz. It's very nice. It gives the more modern appeal. So along here, if you notice, there's a lot of cabinets along this side and the 2-zone beverage and wine cooler. So on the right of me, there's a sliding door that gives access to the flat, nice backyard. Here we enter into the family room. It gives this very open concept. On the same floor, on the same first floor, this is the very large laundry room that could be used for the pantry as well. Additionally, this gives access to the garage. Look, this is an oversized 2-car garage. Look at all the space. It has enough space for the cars and also the workbench and storage, potential storage, because it's very high ceiling. And the garage is fully insulated. I'm gonna highlight some of the nice feature of the home. I want to show you that there is an access here to go to the unfinished basement that the buyers could finish. Just want to highlight, this is the net smart thermostat There's one, this one served for the first floor HVAC system. There's another one upstairs that served the second and third floor. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. As you probably already noticed, the whole house is lined with one of the hardest Brazilian hardwood throughout the house. All right, we have 3 identical bedrooms up here. So let me show you some of the features of the rooms that we have here. So each room have the LED light with ceiling fans and very large closet with organizer. Another feature I want to highlight is each room have their own individual HVAC return here, which make it very comfortable in living, right? Versus one centralized HVAC return. As you walk to the left of the hallway, there is a hallway bath. Let's come in and take a look. A full bath here with it's like a floating double vanity, which give the modern look, which also like highlight the marble tiles here and very nice tile work for the showering part. We'll take a look at this room. This is the master room with a tall tray ceiling, LED light with the very nice ceiling fan here. On the right here, there's a walk-in closet with custom organizer. There's a lot of drawer that you can actually customize to your need. This master suite is designed to bring luxury, serenity, spa feature light, which feature like the vessel sink along with that English faucet. Very nice feature of this master bath is the custom built shower with the bench inside. Very large size, along with the shower, like the rain overhead shower. Also, it has the individual shower head too. Let me show you the bonus of this house. This is the 3rd floor. It's very spacious. You can use it as a playroom or a big office. It's very airy, has a lot of windows, light to LED again. So on this side is the unfinished mechanical room. Here you can see the mechanical room that's serving 2nd and 3rd floor. Here, we even have wood here. The square footage in this room is not account for the total of the 3,100 square feet that I mentioned earlier. Let's go outside. Come on, let's take a look at the open backyard that we have here. It's the sliding door. It's very level, very spacious. If you want to put in a pool, you can. My name is Tracy Nguyen. I am with Keller Williams Realty. Bye-bye, everyone. Hope to see you.